Are there my two-wheel friends and four-wheel and no-wheel friends too? To support Lunch for a Kid project, you can also by purchasing my ebooks from Amazon. There are two books, both of them are available in English and Russian languages. The royalties from these purchases will go to support kids in Ukraine during the war. The first book is called 100 Days to the South. It is a story of my solo motorcycle journey from Alaska to Argentina, which took 139 days and 40,000 kilometers along South and North America. The book has description of day-to-day journey, the challenges that I face, the weather, technical information, emotions, experience, my perception, but mostly just day-to-day description of how we went, so you have an idea what it looks like when you do journey like this without almost no experience either riding motorcycle or traveling that long, that far. Also, it has a table of all expenses, the cost of accommodation, the cost of the maintenance, the cost of the parts, how much I spent for food, how much I spent for fuel, how much fuel did the bike consume, the name of the hostel, hotel, accommodation, coordinates of the camps I stayed. The second book is about my other adventure, which took place right after motorcycle journey. It is called 100 Pacific Days. It is about crossing the Pacific Ocean, covering 9,000 kilometers on a reed raft. We had some issues with food, some issues with catching fish, some weather, raft collapsing, destroying, disintegrating, no ability to sail, in the end being rescued, all kind of things. So both of these books are available in Amazon website, in electronic. Also you can order paperback. Never tried this, don't know how it works. The royalties from purchases will go to support Lunch for a Kid project. Again, I repeat, this money goes to the kids in need during the war in Ukraine. The links to these books, to the Amazon website, will be under this video. The Instagram page of this project will be there as well. And then you can read it on your Kindle device on any smartphone, either Apple or Android. For Apple, you go to App Store and download for free application called Kindle. For Android, you go to Google Play Market and download for free application called Amazon Kindle. So I thank you for all your support. I hope that more people will join. Don't forget, you still can donate directly by transferring money to the credit card and my PayPal account, or by purchasing these books. I hope you'll find them interesting and you spend time enjoying reading, I hope, and you do good things in return for small people. Alright, have a good day and peaceful sky over your heads. That means a lot. You don't think about every day, but I guess it matters the most when you have it taken from you.